feels. If learning AI feels confusing, overwhelming, or pointless, this is why. You're probably learning it the wrong way. Most people start AI excited and quit frustrated, not because AI is hard, but because they're copying a broken learning path. I did the same. Part 1. Stop learning AI like this. Mistake number 1. Tool hopping today, it's ChatGPT. Tomorrow, it's another tool. Next week, something new. You never get good at anything. Mistake number 2. Saving prompts instead of thinking copy-paste prompts feel productive. But the moment the prompt fails, you're stuck. That's not learning. That's memorizing. Mistake number 3. Watching without doing tutorials feel like progress. But nothing changes until you actually use AI. Consumption is not skill. Part 2. Do this instead. Step 1. Pick one. Problem. Forget AI. Focus on your problem. Examples. Editing faster, writing scripts, designing thumbnails, saving time. AI is just the helper. Step 2. Talk to AI like a human. Stop trying to sound smart. Explain your problem clearly, like you would to a teammate. Show messy gives. Clear example visually. Step 3. Learn by finishing. The fastest way to learn AI is to finish small projects. Not perfect, just finished. AI rewards action, not preparation. The people winning with AI aren't smarter. They just started messy. If you stop learning AI the wrong way, everything gets easier. In my next video, I'll show what actually mattered after 30 days of learning AI. Subscribe so you don't miss it.